I do know that I need to open these boxes because my friends at Door Distilling sent me this, and I think this one needs to expand before I can properly photograph it. Do not cut with sharp knife. Well, this Big Joe kind of expands from being in the bag. I'm gonna try to open up this box. Ooh, nice. Look how many I got. I went around my entire house. I found all the products that I didn't find the first time that are Michigan based, including a couple of artists. And then I had some of my friends send me some products, and I went to the grocery store and picked up some of the things that you guys said I should look at next time. Let's let this thing expand, and then let's get some shots. These earrings are made by Jared. He's a friend of mine, and his company's name is Brambles Woodwork. He started making these things like, I think back in 2004, and they're earrings made out of pretty much wood or organic material that he finds. And I think they're so cool because every single earring is 100% unique and handmade. I'm gonna try to take some of the essence of what they have and add some organic material into the background and try to get some cool product photography of that. So hopefully it turns out okay. I'm in my basement, and I end up trashing the entire thing because I'm just grabbing new pieces and doing whatever. Right now, my dog is so sad because she's stuck. Look how sad she is. Hazel, are you stuck behind this extension cord? You want to get out of there? Let's see, if I move this cord, can you go now? What about this tripod? Can you go now? Is that enough space? Okay, come on. Okay, we're not stuck anymore. I'm gonna tear all this down and I'm gonna go to the white background and we're gonna change things up a bit. Look how big this thing expanded to. I have my camera controlling this. That way I can take photos of myself over there. This is a totally different product photography because this thing is so big and I need to be in it in order to understand what the photo is. So this should be interesting. Alright, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I do want to say that I'm really starting to like this Michigan-based product photography thing. I probably had a few more successes than I had failures this time, and these are my top 3 favorite shots. I do want to say a special thanks to Big Joe and Door Distilling for providing the products that you saw of theirs today, and let me know what other Michigan-based products you'd like to see me shoot, and I'll try to get my hands on them. So I just want to say thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers.